Hello guys, ito pala yung rechargeable mini LED lamp light natin. Very trending ito ngayon guys because it comes with a different mode of lights. Meron siyang white light, warm light, at super warm light. And pwede mo siyang hinaan guys, just push the button at the middle. Ayan. Ayan, at kung gusto mong ibalik ulit yung very strong light, ayan, just again, push the button at the middle. Ayan. So, ayan guys, super lakas niya talaga guys. Meron na rin siyang kasamang adhesive magnet. Ayan. Nilagay mo lang siya dito sa likod. At pwedeng-pwede ito guys sa CR, sa hallway, okay, sa staircase, o nga, dito nga, perfect sa room. And guys, meron nga din pala siyang butas dito na kahit hindi mo gamitin yung magnet niya, okay lang, basta may sabitan ka na nito. Meron din siyang automatic version nito, yung may motion sensor na kapag dumadaan ka, kusa na lang siyang umiilaw. So ayan guys, subukan natin ngayon at ilagay natin yung magnet adhesive niya. So guys, as you can see, ang ganda niya talaga, very perfect for the room. Type-C pala yung charging port niya at kasama na rin yung charging cable. At ang maganda pa dito sa mini LED lamp light natin guys, isang beses mo lang siyang i-charge and it will last for a whole month. So guys, if you want to purchase something like this, the link is on the yellow basket. Rechargeable mini LED lamp light.